The jerk. So the jerk is made to put even more weight onto your push press, because the jerk is a little less range of motion from the press or the push press. The benefits for this, you can do a much more weight, and it's a ballistic type movement. So you're braced, and then you're quickly moving into a dip. So you're not fully braced the entire time. You have to move athletically quickly to get underneath the jerk. So with one bell, and it's mainly a lower body exercise and a shoulder stabilization exercise. So that's what the jerk looks like. To break it down, you're going to start with the bell on your in the rack position, and you get the bell to float off of your chest by driving with your legs. Then, as the bell floats, I'm aggressively dropping underneath the bell and standing up. To get this movement without the bell, you're going to put your hands right at your shoulder level and then push yourself away from your hands and then stand up. You're going to do that a couple times, and then aggressively drop and then stand up. This is the jerk. Drop, stand up. With the bells, you're going to get a little momentum. 2 bells is what it looks like. Stand from the side. That's the jerk.